Hi, today we will see how one can integrate the MailServe calendar feature with your email clients. Now this calendar synchronization is compatible with your email clients like the Outlook, Thunderbird email clients of your iPad, Android devices, iPhone as well as Mac. So let's start and check how one can integrate the calendar of the user with the email clients. First, you have to log in as an admin into the mm.qlc.co.in. Once you will log in, you have to set the right for the user for whom you want to activate the calendar feature. Alright, so we have logged in. Now once you have logged in, you have to go to Allied Service and check for the feature which is called DevServe. So this DevServe feature will help you to set the calendar right for the user. So here you see that there are already 4 users who are using the calendar feature. Now you have to move to your right and select Add New DevServe Account. Once you click in, you have got 2 options under account section. Select account, that is if any email ID is already there, you have to just select that account, or if that email ID is not there, you have to click on create new. So let's check if create new is there, what are the tabs which comes in: email ID, full name, mobile number, password and so on. So here you have to put in the name of the email ID which you want to newly create to use your DevServe. As of now, we will select the existing email ID. So again, we will click on add new DevServe account. Under select account, I'll select the ID for which I want to activate the service. Okay. Now next you have the calendar email. What does calendar email signify? It signifies that the events or the alerts that is being sent to the login ID will be sent on the provided email ID that you state over here. Suppose if we put one email ID as so any events or invitations that is being sent to this user will go to this email ID. Here you can also put in the email ID of the user itself. Once done, click on submit. Alright, so we are done with giving the permission to the user to use the calendar feature. Next what? The next thing that you need is obviously the email client. So here we have the Thunderbird email client wherein we have configured the email ID. Now the second step that you have to look out for is you have to download and install the latest version of Mozilla Lightning, for which you can go to the add-ons section. So under add-on you can see that there is this Lightning extensions or the add-on that has to be integrated with your Thunderbird. So let's do that. Alright, so we will install it. Now once it has been installed, it will ask for your Thunderbird to restart. Let's restart our Thunderbird. Next, once again you have to integrate the Sogo connector or the Sogo integrator. Now to help you out, if you don't have the add-ons, you can go to this particular link and download the add-ons for your Sogo connector and Sogo integrator as well. You can go to this particular link and you can get hold of the components from here. Now all these basic steps are being described for you and uploaded in a PDF format over here. So if you click here, a PDF file will get downloaded which will contain all the steps that we are showing in the video. So in case if you don't want to write down the links of it, you can go through the tutorial to get hold of the links. Here it is being mentioned. So our Thunderbird has started. Alright, the next thing is the Sogo connector and the Sogo integrator. Now what we have done is we have already downloaded the extensions over here. So we'll just take them from the desktop and integrate them. The first is Sogo connector. Okay, it is again asking for a restart now, but we will have our next component and then we will restart our Thunderbird. Okay, it is being still shown as a connector. We will restart and check the integration of all these components that we have done with our Thunderbird client. How to check that? You have to go to your extensions to see the same. Okay, we have got our connector, integrator and the lightning. This is very much important that you get all these components integrated with your Thunderbird client. Now once this is done, let's close this. You have to go to File, New, Calendar. Then from here you have to select on the network, next, select CalDav, and here you have to put in the location. The location address will be http:// the same thing is being mentioned in the tutorial PDF that we have for you. So you can directly copy it from here. Now here under this email ID you have to put in the email ID of the user for whom you are integrating the calendar feature with the email client. So let's just omit that and put in the email ID. Clear? Done. Now then click on next. Here you put in the name of the calendar, that is you can give your calendar a nickname and colorize the events or the task or meetings that is being assigned on the calendar. So let's name it as the username itself. Fine. Now here the email ID you can select Claire or Andy. So let's select Andy, and this is showing of the reminders. So if you want to have a reminder being set for the event that is going to take place for your calendar, you can tick this option. Click on next, finish. Alright, now from here you have to go to the calendar and click on synchronize. Once synchronize, it will give you the calendar events or the meetings that has been set for the user Andy. So after synchronization, it will show you the events that has been set for the user Andy on the person's calendar. Now here you can see the events that has been set for the user. Now to check the same, we will log in into the webmail of the user. Okay, we'll click on calendar. Okay, so now you can see the calendar feature from the webmail itself. We will assign one event and check whether it gets synchronized with your email client or not. Let's create an event. Let's create it for September. Double click on it. Here you put in the summary. Let's say as integration meeting, location, description, perfect. Now here you can put in the URL wherein the user can directly click on that URL and will be shown this calendar. The start date, end time, everything. The calendar, that is the personal calendar. Next you have the category. Category is personal, work, family or holiday. What do you want yourself to be shown as? Busy, out of office or tentative. Priority is what you can set as per the event that you are logging in for your calendar. And the privacy. How do you want your calendar to be? Public, private or confidential. Once you have set as per your need, you have to click on save and save your calendar event. Next you have the recurrence. If you want to repeat it again and again, the same event, you can do it. The participants, that is, if you want others to come and join in your calendar, so you can send the invitations. And then the attachments. Click on save. Perfect. So this particular event that you have just set for the user should get synced with your calendar that has been integrated with your Thunderbird email client. Let's synchronize. So we have set it for 3rd of September. We will check. Done. So this has synced with my email client that we were using for this user. So this is how you can create your events and sync it with your email client. Related to other topics like how you can invite people, how you can share your own calendar with your user or your superior to have a sync of all the events or the meetings that are going to take place with time to time. For those aspects of your calendar, we will be having more videos on that. So you can keep a eye on this tutorial video channel of YouTube of us, and then you can get hold of all the ideas and the features being provided to you by QLC. In case if you need any other assistance, kindly drop in a mail to support@qlc.in. Thank you.